Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I'm going to show you how to set time and date and region and date formats. So you can see here it is showing 3:38 p.m. and also the month is uh, in the first place and then date is in second place and year is in third place. So how we can change this one? For example, you can go to control control panel. And here you can see here clock and region. You can change, for example, this category is large icons, small icons. So just change to category, category from there, clock and region. You can see here date and time. Click here date and time. Once you click on date and time, here change date and time. You can change from here and also you can set the time zone from here. You can set from here. You can check everything here as per your region. Also, the option from here also you can get it and right click and adjust time and date. From here also you can set the time and date as well as this one this one region for the time. If you click here, it will sync directly as per your region as well. So if you don't want, you can just change this one as per your region. If it is not detecting properly, you can change as per your region. Also, you can select the country region from here as well. So there is many settings available for this region formats and all those things. So for example, if I go here, I can change only the city, for example. You can choose whatever you want manually also. Sometimes it will not change until you did not connect to the internet. You have to connect to the internet. Then only it will sync automatically once you turn on automatic. If you doesn't select automatic, it will not sync. For example, if you choose this one, if you click OK, and when I go to the settings, adjust in time, it is selected Eastern US and Canada. It is off. Once I turn off Wi-Fi, if you turn on, it will not change directly. It should be turn on the Wi-Fi as well or internet. So it will, once you click here, it will set automatically time zone. Also, we can change date and time formats from here. You can select as per, but here there is specific um formats available for the short date. You can see a short date and you can select as per this one only. And here also you have some specified. So once you select, it will be applied here. It will show in the down section. For example, if you click here, you can see 03 is to 41. And also if you click this one, 15, this is in 24 hours forward. So once you click all, it will be changed directly. So from here you can choose AM PM. But the best thing is from the this control panel. From this control panel, you can go to the change date and time. Once you click on date and time, you can go to change date and time. Click here. You can set here the date and time as per your region time. Now, the main thing is whenever you change the time, maybe next time when you shut down and restart, it is changing automatically time and date. Don't worry. This, if it is happening again and again, once you turn off your laptop or computer, it means the your laptop or your computer CMOS battery has dead. So you have to change the CMOS battery from the motherboard. You have to remove old one and change the CMOS battery on the motherboard. So now here you can see change calendar settings. You can see here format English. You can change here the format also for the this device and also You can see here some short dates, month, date, year, date, month, and also date, month, year, like this. But it is only few options available. But for example, if I set this one, you can see apply, it will apply it here, same as it is. Now, if I change long time, for example, it is going like this. Once you click here, date, month, apply, click OK, OK, OK. It is not changing. One second, we will check from here. What is the problem? Month, date. For example, choose this one, short, long, month, apply. Okay, you can see here it is applied. So from here, this is time format is available there. Hour, minute. Once I click this one, apply, you can see it is added 0. But the thing is, there is only month has few only here. For example, you can see here, if I select this one, apply, it is 8/24/26. But and here it is showing like this, date, month, 26. But for example, if you want in different formats, you can go here, you can where additional settings from there here, you can choose time, date. Here you can directly write here manually. Not only this one, because here in this previous one, here you can choose only, but you cannot add anything here. But here, additional settings, you can add, you can go to time. For example, here you can select as per your requirement here. Here, for example, you can write here hour, minute, seconds. So once you click apply, it will be applied. And here also you can select like this, hour, and here hour, minute. For example, click apply. It is showing like this. For example, if I choose here HH and SS, so it will be changed the format as per this. And also now you can see it is came, the TT means the PM AM. So as per this you can change here. For example, you don't want 0, you can select this one. If you go to the time date, and here there is, you can see date, month, year, and it is written in the month. But here, once you, if you want to see here month written, but there is a year, you can see you are missing. For example, 2026, you cannot found here. So how we can set this one? We can come here directly right here, y apply. It will be applied here, long date. But because here previously it was not available, I just added this double Y. So we can modify as per our requirement, as per we need the time and date. We can choose and we can edit everything from short dates. So short date, short time, everything from here, short time. For example, if you write here, it will be changed. So you can see SS apply. Okay. For the time, it is not changing much more, but the date you can change here. For example, I will write here this additional short time SS. It is not adding much extra things on the time, but for the date, it is changing. Now you can see here it is added HH, but Once I added SS, it is not taking here. So like this, you can change, you can modify this one. For example, if I remove this one, I need full YY, first date and month, and Y. Also, this date should be short, so it is changed. So like this, you can change all the data and formats and everything from here, and also you can change from here also the time as per your region. So these are some specified settings for this time region format, and you can change these things from the control panel. Also, you can change the region format from here. Also, you can select. And also, one more thing in this data and time, there is additional clock, show clock, select time zone clock one. You can select show clock two. So you can change different clocks. You can add the clocks as well. You can see here clock one, clock two. It is added here. So if I change the clocks, additional clocks here, for example, if both are showing same, choose anything and go here. It is, you can see here, it is changed. Different clocks added here as well. And also you can see here region. In this region, administration, there is for this language for non-Unicode programs, you can change the language also. There is other settings also available for this current user and welcome screen, new user accounts. And there is many things available here from the clock settings. You can change these all things. So if you found this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.